What a day. We had a beautiful day. And we had a big thunderstorm just roll up our southern side today. It was crazy. Heaps of lightning, especially to our south around Tweed. It looked like they got hammered. And now we got this little cloud line moving in, and behind that is probably up to 35 knots, they say. That's on the forecast. Let's see what happens. There's still some lightning way out to sea. But anyway, how beautiful is it in here? Look at it. It's just so nice. So peaceful. And it's just spectacular. Apart from the midges, which there's a few of, it's absolutely spectacular. Look at the colour of that sky. It's just sensational. And yeah, look at this little cloud rolling in. You can feel the breeze just starting to pick up a little bit. And so it's going to kick in a minute. But yeah, today we had up to 35 knots, 36 knots. So the anchor should definitely be set. It'll be nice, the breeze will blow the midges away. But yeah, boat had a really nice rinse. The boat's nice and clean. And we're just in this spectacular little anchorage. This is actually called Wally's Gutter. Just over there towards that lightning is South Stradbroke Island. And we can hear the surf breaking on the far side of it. It's probably only about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles away, because the breeze is blowing from this direction. You can hear the noise of the waves on the beach. Here it comes. beautiful. Really nice breeze. Cool things down and blow the midges away.